Hi guys! So ngayon is we're trying the new phone of my mother.
Happy yarn.
Ito yung ano niya, oh, quality niya, di ba, bongga? Oh, di ba? Bongga. The video is giving front camera
It's
lang.
Redmi
Tapos,
Note 13 Pro 5G.
yes.
Pero meron pa silang latest. I think mas maganda yun.
Tama ka dyan. Hinanap namin ngayon si
And it's
Bebe Loves.
18 what? What its price?
$16.99.
Tapos with something else.
That's it, bye.
May previous na utot.
Hi guys, so ngayon is nandito kaming ito try namin ang camera ni Mama. Stabilize yan, kahit ano ba.
Kahit alugin mo